Hi, my name is Amir Jahanlu and I'm a PhD student at Simon Fraser University. I recently conducted a study to understand the challenges of getting started in motion graphic design. This study was supervised by Dr. Paramit Chilana and co-supervised by Dr. William Adam. In this short video, I'll try to summarize some of our findings. Traditional animation is often done for entertainment purposes and follows the story of a hero character. Motion graphics, however, are different. These animated videos use a combination of sound, movement, and graphics to convey a message in informational domains. There are many informational fields that can benefit from motion graphics, particularly those that deal with abstract, micro, or macro level phenomena. However, authoring these videos is expert-driven, very expensive, and also rather time-consuming. Moreover, while video publishing has made significant strides over the past decade, and almost anyone can publish an online video these days, authoring videos is still a barrier for many. So we sought to better understand the process of creating motion graphics in the interest of empowering more individuals to use this medium. These individuals are casual motion designers. This class of designers don't have formal training in motion design, but still they attempt to make motion graphics videos to introduce concepts of their domains. In this study, we contrast them with professional motion designers who often have training in design or animation. We recruited 19 participants to conduct semi-structured interviews, and we got participants that they came from fields such as marketing, advertising, or branding. But we also interviewed casual motion designers working in domains such as medical research, fitness, or even astrophysics education. So what did we learn? We categorized the key insights from our study based on the challenges of the overall process, software tools, and the communication. I can't really tell you all of our results in just 5 minutes. We got the paper for that, but I will try to highlight a few of those. One of our findings was that the new motion designers, they get lost in the many stages of the production. We learned that among other reasons, this was caused by the fact that software tools of motion graphics don't directly support a step such as pre-production. This lack of support in tools, as one of our participants puts it, means that beginners usually skip pre-production phase, and that makes them spend much more time in the animation stage. Because they don't want to plan, they open the software and start an animation. This approach obviously forces the new motion designers to waste more time going back and forth between the authoring stages. Beyond the lack of support for preparatory stages, new motion designers also face a blank canvas. If you think about it, this is in contrast to camera-recorded videography that begins with raw footage and helps the confidence of beginner video makers. Additionally, motion designers face the complexity of motion design tools. This example, for instance, is Adobe After Effects, one of the most prominent tools in this domain, which is extremely feature-rich and difficult to learn or navigate for new motion designers. While learning a single tool is challenging on its own, our analysis reveals that in fact motion designers end up using multiple feature-rich tools to complete any motion graphics project. As a result, a key complaint was the lack of an end-to-end software tool for authoring these videos. So how can we use these findings? The insights of our study inspired us to synthesize them into opportunities where HCI studies can help future motion designers. Broadly, these opportunities are in 3 categories of content creation, improving the process, and addressing the learnability challenges of the tools. While you can find all of these opportunities in our paper, among others, we advocate for approaches of quick and dirty content creation. This is similar to prototyping tools in other design disciplines such as UI or UX that allow for low-cost experimentation and contextualizing the process. Another suggestion is improving the learnability of the software tools using strategies such as adaptive menus, node-based systems, or sharing UI customization. Well, these were a subset of the key challenges we observed and the synthesized implications. For more details, I invite you to consult our paper. Thank you.